Hey, fellow financial adventurers, today we're embarking on an exciting journey through the wild terrain of the 2024 investment landscape. Picture this. Meet Angela, a curious mind, a brave heart, and a $5,000 stash burning a hole in her pocket. She's standing at the crossroads of her financial future, pondering which path to take. Should she tread the well-worn trail of safety, running in circles like a hamster on a wheel, or should she channel her inner Indiana Jones, ready to chase the thrill of buried treasure? It's a conundrum many of us face, but fear not, fellow fortune seekers. We're here to be Angela's and your investment Sherpa. Together, we'll navigate the dense jungle of trends, dodge the pitfalls, and decipher the strategies. Because, let's face it, anyone can build a portfolio that sizzles. So strap on your boots, grab your compass, and let's dive into your 2024 investing breakthrough. Ever wondered how your morning latte habit could impact your portfolio? Well, today we dive into the emerging market trends of 2024, some of which are as surprising as finding a pearl in your oyster soup. Let's start with the caffeine economy. Yes, your daily espresso shots are part of a booming trend. Companies are innovating faster than a barista can whip up a caramel macchiato, making the coffee industry a potential gold mine. On a more peculiar note, we have the doggie digitization trend. Picture this. Your pooch's health data stored on a cloud, accessible at the swipe of a paw. It sounds barking mad, but it's a trend that's gaining traction. There's a veritable smorgasbord of trends out there, from the familiar to the downright bizarre. So here's a question for your pondering pleasure. Which trend tickles your investment funny bone? Prepare to unleash your inner fortune teller as we delve deeper into the crystal ball of emerging trends. Forget dusty old blue chips, we're spotlighting the up-and-comers poised to skyrocket in 2024. Now I know what you're thinking. Where's the growth? Well, I'll tell you. Biotech is one sector that's brewing healthier humans and fatter wallets. It's not just about curing diseases anymore. We're talking personalized medicine, gene editing, and even anti-aging therapies. Imagine popping a pill to look and feel 20 again. But it's not all lab coats and microscopes. The blockchain sector is another gold mine. It's building a decentralized utopia where transactions are secure, transparent, and fast. We're not just talking about cryptocurrencies. Blockchain is revolutionizing everything from banking to voting and even how we listen to music. Now, remember our friend Tracy? She was a teacher who traded in her textbooks for tickers. She saw the potential in biotech and jumped in head first. The result? She tripled her capital. So just ask Tracy, our teacher turned investment rock star who tripled her capital by ditching textbooks for biotech. Imagine learning Warren Buffett's wisdom in bite-sized, hilarious chunks. That's right, we're diving head first into the sea of strategies, surfacing with 5 golden rules that'll have you navigating the market like a seasoned pro. First up, ditch the FOMO. The market isn't a party you're missing out on, it's a long game of chess. Second, remember the tortoise and the hare. Slow and steady wins the race, folks. Consistent investments trump quick gains any day. Third, don't put all your eggs in one basket, or in our case, stocks. Diversify, diversify, diversify. Fourth, know when to fold them. Not every investment is a winner, and that's okay. Lastly, embrace your inner Sherlock Holmes. Do your homework, scrutinize, and then invest. These 5 rules are your roadmap to riches, your compass in the financial wilderness. So are you an investment eagle soaring high or a chicken playing it safe? Take our investment eagle versus investment chicken quiz to discover your financial spirit animal. Ready to ditch the savings rut and join the wealth-building fiesta? It's time to take the reins on your financial future. Picture this. You, confidently striding through the investment landscape, armed with knowledge, strategies, and a community of like-minded financial adventurers at your side. Sounds like a dream, doesn't it? Well, we're here to tell you it's entirely within your reach. So, what are you waiting for? It's time to crack the code to financial freedom. Let's do it together.